Today I'll just quickly show you, I've got a 2013 Ford Mondeo turbo diesel. Where do you check the power steering fluid? You might ask yourself the same question. And the location for it is actually under the headlight. Now it's a good location for it, but quite easy to check. And what we do, we take off the two T30 bolts. There's one here and one up here. Okay, we've got that out. We just carefully peel that open just till it jumps that little bit there. It's a little bit fiddly. There we go. There we go. There it is right there, under the headlight. In a very good spot. I don't know who designed this one, but congratulations. To check the fluid level in the power steering, you have it at operating temperature because the oil will expand with heat, and the motor has to be running. Anyway, hope that's helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.